All right, so I just wanted to go over our assignment that we had last week, the 6 problems that we were doing with the quadratic formula. So I'm trying to zoom out. I don't know if this will help give you a better view of just the overall problem, but um, what I'll do is I'll start off with number 2. I'm going to go and make a video for each problem, but let's start with this one. So we have x squared plus 2x minus 4 equal to 0. So that means our a is equal to 1, our b is equal to 2, and our c is equal to negative 4. So now we use our quadratic formula. So we go negative b, which is 2, plus or minus the square root of b squared, which is 2 squared, minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is negative 4, all over 2 times a. And we're just going to sub for b. We're subbing the 2 in for where b was up here, right? We're going to sub a in for where the a is. So right there and right there. And then the c term is just being subbed in here. So now we just we start doing our calculations. So go negative 1 times a positive 2 gives me a negative 2, plus or minus square root of 2 squared is 4, minus negative 4 times 1 times negative 4. So negative 4 times negative 4 times 1 is negative 4. Negative 4 times negative 4 gives us a positive 16. That is all over 2. And then we're going to get x is equal to negative 2 plus or minus. We just add up our numbers inside or underneath the radical. 4 plus 16 gives us a radical 20, all over 2. And then this is that last step that we could do the stuff from Unit 9, where we said, okay, let's see if a perfect square goes into 20. So we'll say x is equal to negative 2 plus or minus. We know 4 times 5 is 20. 4 is a perfect square, so I'm going to go radical 4 times radical 5 all over 2. And then now I can just take the square root of 4. So I'm going to do that last step. X is equal to negative 2 plus or minus square root of 4 is 2. Radical 5 all over 2. And I said last step the last time, but this is actually going to be the last step. So now we're just going to divide. Remember, like we treat this as negative 2 over 2, and then this 2 radical 5 over 2. So they share that denominator. So last step is we just simplify it. Negative 2 divided by 2 gives us a negative 1, plus or minus 2 divided by 2 gives us a radical 5. So our x-intercepts are negative 1 plus or minus radical 5.